First of all, let me wish you a very, very happy Expert Day, and I want you to clap for yourself. I want all of you to clap with. I think that's not enough. Should be louder. In fact, I was going through your anthem, Shrama Eva Jayate. But I don't think it is not only Shrama here, it's smart also. Shrama is hard work. I think smart work also is there in building this expert and taking this expert institution to this level. Smart work, when I mean, smart, S stands for specific, M stands for measurable, A stands for achievable, R for relevant, and T for timely. I think all these factors are there in making this institution a great institution. I have seen this institution I started closely watching this institution from the year 2004. And I don't know whether Professor Nayak remembers it or not. My daughter was also a alumni here as a correspondence course student. She could not come here, but she was one of the first few students who got herself enrolled for correspondence courses. And I actually treat that as one of the stepping stone for her success. And she is now working in US and in a very good company called Intel. So I think I owe it to Expert for this situation. So thanks for that. You have heard all the very good speakers. I think it's very difficult to speak after Usha Prabha Nayak speaks. But she gave me a little bit idea of what to talk. She actually spoke about Mr. Samar Hosur and his father. I thought it's more relevant to remember about heroes who are relevant to you and probably follow their footsteps to grow up in your career. Because Professor Bhatt told me that you should speak to motivate students, and I thought to motivate students, why he should invite a banker? Then I realized now after hearing Usha Prabha's speech, because bankers normally chase targets in the Q4, and it's Q4 now. So I think for all of you are getting exams, and you need to chase the budgets or chase your budget that's getting into exams and pass it with good scores. So I think for that reason, I think she would have invited me. Otherwise, I don't find any reasons for inviting a banker for such a function. So when I talk about speaking about the heroes, I think you need to definitely follow the footsteps of lots of leaders which are in our radar. If you don't know their stories, I'm sure all of you are very expert in finding Google Uncle, and he will get you all the stories there. I would request you to go through the stories of Satya Nadella, who has with great hard work, and he has reached to the top of he is one of these top executives of the world now. He studied in Manipal. Satya Nadella, you may be knowing, Microsoft CEO. You can, if most of you may be interested in sports, cricket, you should replicate Virat Kohli, the hard work with which he day in and day out with such a consistency delivers. And I think Expert is meant for consistency. Expert is meant for rigorous practice. Expert is meant for process-driven approach for studies. I think if you are taking the examples of all these people and what you are doing, definitely you can reach the heights of such great people. If you talk about Anil Kumble, one of the another great exponent of spin, and he is the topmost wicket taker in the country. And if you see the hard work with which he has come up, I'm sure all of you would be remembering the on the day on which he took some 5 to 6 wickets in West Indies with broken jaws. And against Pakistan, he took all the 10 wickets with sheer hard work. In fact, people had written him off, telling that he doesn't spin the ball. But with great practice, great process-driven approach, he came up in life. Similarly, there are umpteen number of stories which you can relate, and I want younger students to relate these stories, take them as role model, and definitely come up in your life. And this is the time where you need to be focused. And Madam has already told you that you should not speak anything, you should not react for anything, you should worry about yourself. And that's where it is, I think, that is the tip for all of you. Before I close, I would request all of you to keep positive thinking in your way of life. Keep your thoughts positive. It will bring your words to positive. Keep your words positive. It will make your behavior positive. Keep your behavior positive. It will make your habits positive. Keep your habits positive. It will make your values positive. And if you are keeping your values positive, your destiny will be positive. Wish you all the best. Have a great day.